In this video, we're going to talk about drinking and eating. Drinks, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, herbal tea, juice, water, iced tea, lemonade. Pay attention to the addresses here. Lemonade, orangeade, orangeade addresses here. Cola, beer, wine, milkshake, smoothie, sports drink, energy drink, food and drinking containers, bottle, bag, glass, carton, or we can save this letter T. It's like carton, jar, packet, box, can, this is US, tin, this is UK, hot drink container, this is US, hot drink container. But British people, they will say flask, bowl. Which one do you like? I think this is flask, it's easier. But this one, it's easy to understand. Hot drink container. Which one do you prefer? You can leave the comments. Let me know, guys. Food and drink. Adjectives. Sweet. Savory. Same pronunciation. Savory. Tasty. Iced. Chilled. Salty. Bitter. Spicy. Hot. Fresh. Off, gone off. You can draw a line between N and O. Gone off. Strong, sour, carbonated, sparkling, non-carbonated. Carbonated is like carbon oxide. Carbon oxide. If there is no or non-carbon oxide, that means no bubbles in it, no bubbles. But this one is with carbon oxide, that means with bubbles, or we can say fizzy drink. Sparkling or still. I prefer still. Delicious, disgusting, eating and drinking. To eat, to dine, to chew, to taste, to nibble, to bite, to swallow, to drink, to sip, to gulp. This one is good for our body, but this one is too fast. It's bad, not cool. Don't drink in this way unless, you don't want to have a healthy body. So this is gulp, this is sip.